Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 2, The Power of Mantras, Transforming Your Mindset. In this lesson, we're diving into the transformative power of words and how they shape our reality. A mantra is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful tool that, when repeated with intention, can rewire your mindset and shift your energy. Let's explore 3 types of mantras you can use in your daily life. Affirmation-based mantras. These are positive statements that help you tackle negative self-talk. Here's an example. If you say, "I am worthy of success," this kind of mantra helps you replace doubt with self-belief. Gratitude mantras. A gratitude mantra fosters appreciation for what you already have. A simple mantra like, "Thank you for all I have and all that's coming," it opens your heart to abundance. Abundance mantras. These mantras are designed to attract wealth and prosperity. When you repeat, "Money flows to me easily," feel the energy shift as you affirm your relationship with an easy flow of money. Why do mantras work? Let's talk about why mantras work. There is a science and energy behind it. From a scientific perspective, repetition creates new neural pathways in the brain. It's a process called neuroplasticity. The more you repeat a mantra, the more your brain rewires itself to align with that belief. Energetically, words carry vibration. So when you repeat empowering mantras, you raise your vibrational frequency, aligning your actions with the outcome you desire. It's like tuning your internal radio to a station that broadcasts success, gratitude, abundance. Now, let's shift to pairing mantras with breathwork. To amplify the power of your mantras, let's merge them with breathwork. One technique I love is combining mantras with box breathing. Here's how it works. Inhale deeply for a count of 4 while silently repeating your mantra. Hold your breath for a count of 4 while allowing the mantra to settle within your being. Exhale for a count of 4, silently repeating the mantra again, and then finally hold your breath for a count of 4 and feel the mantra resonate within you. Repeat this often and use any mantra of your choosing. Here's a journal exercise. Reflection is a powerful way to internalize what you've learned. So grab your journal and answer this question. What is one belief I want to shift? And what mantra will help me do it? Take a moment to identify areas where you feel stuck or limited. Then flip that belief into an empowering mantra. Here's an example. If you think, "I'm no good managing money," shift it to, "I learned the best strategies to manage my money." Stick with any new mantra for 30 days and repeat it daily. This is your new truth. See you in the next lesson.